Namaste, I am Abhilasha, she is Josna and she is Trisha. So what we are going to do Shalbhasan. So Shalbhasan variations, we will start with simple Shalbhasan and then we will go to little intermediate level of Shalbhasan variation. Shalbhasan means in English it is translated as locust pose. So please remember that each and every pose you should do at least 2 to 3 times, and if there are 2 repetition like right hand one is there and left hand one is, so 2 repetition from right and 2 repetition from left, and the whole time should be 10 to 15 seconds. And do not hold your breath if you are not comfortable, you have to just keep on doing normal breathing. Lie down on your abdomen. Your toes are flat like this, palms facing downwards, hand by side, palm facing downwards. Your chin is on the ground just like this and your feet are together. So first very simple Shalbhasan, this is very good for your back and this is very good for your abdomen, core muscles. So first we will lift, inhale, right leg up. You have to keep your knees straight as much as possible. It is not necessary that you should lift very high, this much is also fine. Exhale down. Inhale, left one up. Exhale down. Again inhale right. Exhale down. Left. Exhale down. Now relax in Makrasana. In between rest is very important. So whenever you are doing some asanas on your abdomen, use your Makrasana as the rest posture. So at least 30 to 60 seconds you can rest. Now again keep your palms aside, your body side. Now we are going to lift both feet together. So both feet keep together and you are to lift both legs together, keeping knee straight, even it is 1 inch or 2 inch away from the ground, that is completely fine. So inhale, both the legs up, very good. Exhale down, repeat, inhale both the legs up, relax, Makrasana. After this what we are going to do it, we are going to stretch the arms in front of the head, just stretch the arms. So you have to lift your opposite arm and opposite leg, so like right arm and left leg with your head and chest up. So you have to do at least 10 rounds, okay, so like 5 rounds from right, 5 rounds from left, alternate. We will do right now 2 rounds only, but when you are doing it you can try for 10, you can start with 2 and you can try for 10 after some time. So right arm and left leg up with your head up, good. Exhale down, left and right, try to lift arm more, very good. Exhale down, again right and left, exhale down, left and right, relax, Makrasana. Now again what we are going to do, both the arms straight in front of your head. Now both the hands and both the legs you will be lifting along with your head and chest. So again you can try depending on your energy levels, depending on your stamina, from 2 to 10 rounds or even 15 or 20 rounds, but at least 2 rounds are must. So inhale, both the arms, both the legs up, very good. Exhale down, repeat, inhale up, relax, Makrasana. If you have done Surya Namaskar, you know Ashtang Namaskar is one of the posture of Surya Namaskar. So, we are going to try Shalbhasan now in Ashtang Namaskar. So, little intermediate level of Shalbhasan variation you can try after some practice. So, first come into Ashtang Namaskar, your palms are closer to the chest, elbows closer to your body, your toes like this, your hips up like this and stomach is off the ground. So, now inhale, right leg up, very good. Exhale, left, exhale, again right, at least 2 times. Left, inhale up and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale, relax in Makrasana. Rest between 2 rounds is very important so that you get more energy for the next round. One more variation we will try. So, you have to lift one leg up and you have to bend another leg and you have to give the support of foot of another leg. So, right leg up first, yeah, and then bend this one like this, very good. See, down, other side. So, when your menses are on, your monthly cycle is on, specifically lady, they should avoid it because this is kind of inverted posture, very good. You can keep your arms like this or like this, whichever is convenient for you or comfortable. Relax. Makrasana. So, these are some variation of Shalbhasan and it will definitely help you to improve your core muscle power and your back pain if you have any. Thank you. Subscribe our channel.